Welcome to the Dubai frame in Dubai. The Dubai frame is an observatory, museum and monument in JBL Park, Dubai. The frame is created out of glass, steel, aluminium and reinforced concrete. Dubai frame ticket prices are around $15. Make sure you book in advance. The lower span contains a museum showing the history of the city. The super-fast elevator reaches the skydeck on the 48th floor in seconds. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up and bell button for more videos. The luminous glass walkway at the upper bridge gives you a bird's eye view of the city of Dubai. The view deck serves as a symbolic bridge between past and present. The glass bottom floors looking down almost 150 meters onto the building's lower span. The lower span contains a museum showing the history of the city and a video exhibit predicting the city's future. The visual effects of both exhibits are really amazing. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos about aviation and rail travel.